Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Shadelle here. So today's video is just going to be a quick little fall glam. Nothing too major, nothing too difficult, very easy and simple, and I'm just making it before the sun goes down because as we know it's getting dark early, so I'm always competing with the sun when I don't want to use my lights and whole setup and I want to be lazy and just get in front of the camera and film. And if you guys haven't noticed so far in my last videos, and I've mentioned it on my Instagram, that I've been wearing foundation and doing makeup without setting my face. And then I've been doing the makeup routine and then showing you guys how the foundation holds up throughout the day. And honestly, I'm kind of moving away from setting my face. Like, I still have my OG setting powders that I would use like if I'm going out to an event and I'm going to be somewhere where I need my makeup to stay intact. But like between Pat McGrath foundation and then this Fenty Beauty, which is the hydrating foundation, I'm good to go without setting my face, and I've been like that since I've discovered that I can do that. My skin type is normal my skin type bounces between normal and combination, and with combination it's normal / oily, and I'm just kind of oily in my T-zone, but I'm not someone that has like super oily skin, especially not anymore. When I had that cyst on my ovary, I was super oily, and that was the indication that something was wrong. But I had like super oily skin, and my skin has reverted back to its normal skin type, which is normal, and I'm thankful for that. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe since you're already here. Just hit that button down there and make sure you're following me on Instagram at shadelleg, and let me know your thoughts in this conversation. Wow. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Listen, I am tired and I haven't even left the house yet. Let's go ahead and get into this video, and I'm probably going to edit that piece to put it in the ending. That I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm all over the place. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alrighty, so starting with a fresh face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty primer. This is their new primer, the hydrating one. I can't think of the name right now. I think it's called the Silk Primer. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 330. My focus needs to get it together with this camera. Alright, so I'm just blending that foundation out. And I'm going in also with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 330. Now I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rivera palette. Just using that shade as a transition color. And we're gonna blend. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, and I'm just adding some of that color. It's like a burnt red. It's gorgeous. It's perfect for fall, in my opinion, and I just gravitated towards it, so you know, forever freestyling. And now I'm taking a shimmer within the palette. I'm gonna get the names of these shades because you know they're not listed on the palette, they're listed on the back of the palette, and your girl didn't have time to be flipping back and forth in between the video. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to see me do all that. And now I'm going in with my favorite Nars highlighter. It is their, I think it's Banc de Sable. I think that's how you say it. You know they're a French company. But this is my favorite highlighting trio. Like, the highlight is just so gorgeous. And I'm just putting that on my brow bone. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Beijingal. And I'm just warming up my face because your girl is looking like Casper this winter. Please send help. Please fast forward me to the islands real quick. I need my melanin back. And I was just tapping off the excess bronzer I had on because I didn't want to go too crazy on my forehead and it create like a crazy line. I wanted to make sure it blended seamlessly. And now I'm just contouring my nose using the bronzer, and this has been my favorite way to contour my nose now, like using my hand. I feel like I have more control and I'm able to blend it a lot more to where it just looks really natural. Taking that highlighter down, bringing it all together, making it work. And now I'm going in with the Bare Minerals eyeliner. This eyeliner is freaking bomb. It's not black, it's like a dark brown. And I didn't want to go too black because black sometimes looks very harsh, especially on me in the winter. So the brown just added like a natural kind of like, you know, darkness to it without it being too deep. And now I'm going in with the Nars Climax mascara. I love this mascara. I can get away with wearing this mascara on my natural lashes and they look bomb. Still putting on coats. And now I'm taking that same highlighting trio by Nars and highlighting my face because, you know, your girl loves to shining. And now I'm lining my lips. I'm using, of course, my Holy Grail MAC lip liner. It's probably in the shade Chestnut. That's probably why I looked at it, because sometimes I reach for Night Moth because they both look the same. And if you're not familiar, Night Moth is more purple and Chestnut is a deep brown. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick. I'm going in with the shade I Quit first. And you guys are going to see. It's going to create such a pretty nude. This is like my favorite combo right now. But I'm taking that lipstick, I'm taking it on the outer parts of my lips. And then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Up to No Good Mademoiselle. And I'm just blending that in, of course, with I Quit. And then I'm going to top it off with, of course, some Fenty gloss in the shade Fussy. This gloss is my go-to. I love this gloss. I can just wear it with nothing on my face. It just makes your lips look so delicious. And boom, we about to play with this hair. This hair is from Ballet's Wigs, and it's some gorgeous hair.